Hello, and welcome to this short introduction to Continuent Support, part of the introductory training sessions for Tungsten University. My name is Chris Parker, VP of Customer Success here at Continuent. In this session, I will be covering the following subjects related to getting the best from Continuent Support when you need us, whether that be as part of an issue you are encountering, or general questions and ongoing assistance and guidance for upgrades, best practices, etc. We pride ourselves in our support, and ensuring you have all the tools available to you will ensure you get best and accurate information from us. First, I will cover how to access the software for which you are licensed, and also where to find our documentation and other useful resources. I will cover Zendesk, our main support portal, and cover the best practices to ensure we have all the information we need when dealing with any support requests. Finally, I will briefly cover our EOL schedule and how to keep in touch with you. Accessing the software is easy. Every customer will have access to download only the software for which you are licensed directly from our website at the link shown here. If you haven't got a login or need your password resetting, you can contact us directly, or you can ask the admin user for your account to set this up for you. If you are unsure on who the admin account is within your organization, then again, please contact us and we will help you get going. Once we then activate your account, you will have full access. When logging into the download page, you will see other various items of information such as who else can download the software you have access to, and also when your current subscription expires. The admin account can also manage those contact details. Keeping these up to date is really useful so that we can keep in touch and always be talking to the right people when we need to. On the download page, here you will be able to download the TAR and RPM packages for the software that your license covers you for, along with the Tungsten dashboard and Tungsten operator if you are cluster users. All of our documentation is available at the link shown here. If there are 2 points to emphasize with the documentation, it would be that you ensure you are looking at the correct pages related to the major version you have, for example V6, V7 or V8. There will be features and behaviors unique to each version, so reading the wrong version may confuse you if you are looking for specific features. Secondly, always review the release notes. Here we will outline all the bugs and changes that have been fixed. We also have a lot of other resources on our main website, such as blogs and white papers. These are being updated and added to all the time. We regularly send newsletters out by email that highlight these latest blogs or announce new releases. If you do not receive these, then please reach out to us so we can ensure you are on the mailing list. Zendesk is our primary interface for support and is the first place you should go if you need us. You will need an account for Zendesk. This is different to the account for downloading software previously discussed. If you do not have an account, please email us so that we can sort this out for you. The key message for Zendesk is to ensure you provide as much information as you can when you open the case. The more information you provide, the quicker we will be able to reach a resolution. This information should, at the very least, include all of the relevant software version information, the behaviors you are seeing, any actions you have already taken to try and resolve the issue, and importantly, any changes that could have potentially triggered the actions, such as have you recently upgraded anything, either Tungsten itself, MySQL, or any OS components such as Java and Ruby, or have there been changes to your application behavior that may have triggered something. It is also essential, if possible, to provide a diagnostic package. I will cover that shortly. Aside from the information provided, it is important to set the priority correctly. Our response times are excellent, as you can see, and the only way we can maintain this level of responsiveness is by ensuring the priorities are set accordingly. Specifically, we request that the use of the urgent priority is only used for production systems when the issue is impacting production operations. An urgent case will trigger an alert to the on-call engineer, regardless of the time of day. I also show here our published SLAs. However, in reality, we are always much faster than this. To highlight our responsiveness, this graph shows our average quarterly response times from the beginning of 2023 up to and including Q2 2025. Providing a diagnostic package is critical. This provides us with a full snapshot of the system, gathers all of the log files, and also collects various OS metrics. All of this helps us to get a full holistic view of the current system state. If you are a clustering user, we would always need a full diagnostic package from every host within the topology and also every connector if they happen to be installed on their own dedicated hosts. This is important as sometimes information that can help diagnose and resolve the issue may actually be in log files of the other hosts. You can generate this log file using the tpm diag command, and depending on your system setup, you may need to run this on each host individually. If your hosts have internet access, then you can run tungsten send diag instead, and this will automatically upload the packages to our secure S3 bucket, where our engineers will be able to access them quicker and easier without the need for you to download and attach them to Zendesk. Naturally, tpm diag is only useful if you are experiencing issues with a running system. If you are facing problems during installation, then provide as much information as you can, such as screen outputs showing the errors. Our EOL schedule, or end of life schedule, is outlined here and is available to view on our website at the link shown. This isn't a strict policy that we set in stone. There are many times when situations arise that may result in releases more frequently. Similarly, if a specific release is stable, then we may choose to not release an update for a longer period of time. However, this schedule here is what we try and aim for. The EOL dates should be noted, and it is always a good idea to ensure you are running a version of the software that is supported. Whilst we will not refuse support against older releases, it will be more difficult for us to potentially resolve, and should you hit a bug, then the only way to fix that would be to upgrade to a supported release, and that may not always happen at a time that is most convenient for you. As part of customer success, not only are we responsible for your support needs, but we also aim to build relationships with you through the subscription term that you have. We pride ourselves on not only being responsiveness for support, but being available at the end of a phone to discuss your deployments, provide guidance and best practices, and to also help ensure your systems stay healthy and operational. Throughout the year, we will periodically reach out and invite you to a call where we can discuss any questions that you may have and to also inform you of any updates and new releases that we feel may be of benefit to you. We appreciate everyone has busy schedules, but if you are able to spare even just 5 minutes, these calls can be invaluable to everyone. So, in summary, we have covered how to and where to download software, discussed how to find documentation and resources. We've covered Zendesk and how to raise a support case, and looked at the EOL schedule and customer success. The next step in the training schedule will be to begin looking at the products in more detail, choosing the relevant one based on your own needs. If you are new to Continuent and want to follow all of the masterclasses, then we recommend you start with Tungsten Clustering, as this will cover all aspects in a more comprehensive manner and provide the background learning required for Tungsten Dashboard and Tungsten Operator. I hope you found this session useful, and I look forward to welcoming you on our technical sessions. Thank you, goodbye, and smooth sailing.